Hey everybody, this is Pip from Pip's Path to Property. I just want to introduce you. I've had the opportunity to do real estate and property trainings all around the world, 18 different countries, thousands and thousands of students. I think well over 50,000 students at this point. We're going to be partnering up with a company that you know very well called TRADEway. So excited to do that. They're good friends of ours. They teach stock investing. We teach property investing. We're going to show you how we can coincide both of those types of investing and create another asset class for you to make money. One of the coolest things that we can do with property is we can do it with the right type of asset protection. We can use leverage, all the things that we need to. And if we do both of those things correctly, we can get a great tax benefit. Obviously, I'm not a lawyer, I'm not an accountant, so always talk to your accountants and lawyers when it comes to tax advantages. But property allows us to do some of the best tax advantages out there, from 1031 exchanges to the different expenses that we can do in a property business. One of the cool things I love to tell everybody is that when you get the right type of property business, you have the right type of structures in place, you'll probably never take another vacation again. Because most anywhere that you go can be a business trip. Make sure you talk to your accountants, but understand that there's property everywhere. We all need it. Everybody needs it every day. And if we can do this business the right way with the right type of structures, we can take business trips anywhere that we go. So talk to your accountants, obviously, but we're going to talk about that at our 3-day training. So don't forget to be there June 24th through the 26th. I look forward to seeing everybody there. I look forward to working with TRADEway to show you how you can take your stock investing and take some real estate on top of that and get the best benefit for everybody. So we'll see you guys at the training on June 24th through the 26th.